Well, I have to say that so far this year, growth in Asia has been very disappointing. We were thinking at the beginning of this year that trade would be strong. We thought that with low oil prices that household spending would be strong, and we thought that with low real interest rates, infrastructure investments would be strong. And as it turns out, none of those have come to pass. Trade is very weak, household spending hasn't really picked up, and infrastructure is faced with all kinds of obstacles that has meant it hasn't really gotten off the ground. You actually see in China, which is the largest economy in the Asia region, really quite a sharp slowdown. I don't think any of us know the dimensions of that slowdown as yet, but when you look at the tax revenues that are coming into government coffers, when you look at the numbers on exports in China, and when you look at what's happening to the stock exchange, these are all very dismal figures. China, of course, is trying to do its best to rebalance away from external demand towards domestic demand. And that's rather a difficult transition to accomplish. But there are certainly worries that this landing will be harder than the authorities might have wanted. So I think throughout the region, things are worse. There's no progress on global trade negotiations, and I think that we can only hope that some of the new infrastructure facilities that are being talked about in the region will actually end up giving a much needed injection of liquidity and cash into investment in Asia.